Another success story of the government of Sindh is the Child Life Foundation. Sindh government has partnered with Child Life Foundation, resulting in every child in Sindh being within 30 minutes reach of emergency care 24/7 free of charge. Modern emergency rooms in 9 teaching hospitals in Karachi, Hyderabad, Shaheed Benazirabad, Larkano and Sakkar have been established in collaboration with Child Life Foundation. Through 106 telemedicine satellite centers, all tehsils of Sindh, tehsil hospitals across Sindh are linked 24/7 under a hub and spoke system. Till date, more than 6 million children have been treated in emergency rooms of government hospitals across Sindh in partnership with Child Life Foundation. Latest research by US-based Policy Global Health acknowledges high quality of pediatric emergency rooms at Sindh government hospitals operated in collaboration with Child Life. It is highly satisfying for us that in the 28th session Conference of Parties COP28 held in Dubai last year, Child Life Foundation was among the 3 finalists from 5,000 plus applicants who had made some difference in the lives of people.